See if she push it forward or something. Look, that shit comes straight out. This gotta go in the hole. You gotta do shit right, cause that's safe. Straight up, that's the baby. Pull it out, try it again. Put the front first.
Okay.
This is what happens when you use drugs and try to put together a toy.
Alright.
It doesn't work.
Let's slide this up.
Yeah, that's the same thing happened to me. That's funny.
I feel like it's this motherfucker.
That's hard classes. You can't really push
Oh,
that.
yeah. No, I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah,
Okay.
she record, make them like, dude, told us. You thinking it's funny, they was like, that's my car.
But I'll put the rest of this dish together.
I made millions out this picture. Like, did I get this house together? Can you come up with it? I'm in Chicago doing this shit.
Alright.
Putting together the walker.
What's the stuff? No, that was right there.
Right.
Yay!
Ernie!
The walker still won.